Hi guys, welcome to the second video of bank investing. In the last video, we showed you how to open an account and transfer the money. And in this video, we are going to show you how to buy the stocks of any of your choice.
Okay, so how do we decide which stocks to buy?
We used ChatGPT,
Gemini.
but you don't have to. You could just choose any company of your choice. But I recommend first actually looking at Gemini to see how much money they have gotten or lost in the past couple of years.
So we did a little bit of research, and what I did was in Gemini, I said, what are some good companies for an 8-year-old to buy that they would know with some good perspective? So it gave me a few options, and what we decided in 5 individual stocks: Nvidia, Microsoft, Apple, Alphabet, and Costco. And then we also decided to put some money in the S&P 500, SPY, the spider. The reason we chose some of these stocks was Microsoft. He likes Minecraft. It's a good growing company. Also, Microsoft is in most computers. Nvidia makes the hardware, and it's the AI leader. Apple sells products everywhere. iPhones.
A lot of money.
iPhones, iPads, things like that. Alphabet, Google, because we use Google to search. We use YouTube to watch videos.
A lot of people
We're
use
recording
Google.
now on YouTube. And Costco, because we like to shop in Costco. So now we're going to show you how to actually purchase these stocks. Okay, so where we're going is accounts and trade. Go to trade. We're trading stocks and ETFs in the UTMA account. We have $260 to trade. So what company are we starting with?
Microsoft.
Microsoft. What is the symbol of Microsoft?
MSFT, all uppercase.
Okay, but if you don't know the symbol, you can just type in Microsoft and it'll tell you MSFT, and it tells you the price. Now action, we're going to buy. Quantity, so you could do either shares or in dollars. Since right now the market's closed because it's about 9:30 o'clock in the evening, you can't actually buy dollars. You can only buy in dollars when the market's open. So you'll have to calculate how many shares. We want to buy about $37 worth of Microsoft, which is about 0.093 shares. Order type. You could do market, limit, and there's a few others. Market just means it buys at whatever it's trading at on the market. Limit is if you want it at a specific price. Like if you say, I only want to buy it when it goes down to $400. We're just going to do market because we don't know where it's going to order. We just want to buy it. And then the time in force, usually it's either day or good till cancel. We're just going to do day. Then you hit preview order. Since we're trading after hours, it'll tell you that please use caution when placing market orders while the market's closed, because they may open sharply higher or lower, and you may have to buy it at a higher price than you were expecting. If it's a lower price, that's even better for you because you're buying it at a discount. And then we hit place order. There we go. You place your first order. Okay, now here's our orders. They're all still open. They haven't executed yet. We have Google, Apple, Nvidia, Costco, S&P 500, Microsoft. They won't execute till the market opens at 8:30 a.m. Central Time. In the meantime, if you want to change your mind or anything, you can cancel it or edit the orders.
Bye guys. Hope you enjoy the next video. And I am super excited. Hope I'm rolling around in gold in my 20 years. Ben out.